Hey girl, hey. It's your girl Chloe L. Yes, Chloe London. Yes, I am back with another video. But I'm doing something different. I'm gonna show y'all how to revive your wigs, honey. Bring it back to life. Okay, look at this. Girl, that's a hot mess. It has been in my closet for about like 6 months, probably even longer. And I decided to bring her out to play, honey. So yes, this is a mess. Girl, look at that. Ooh wee. But yes, just trust the process. It's gonna be a good one. So I start off by washing my units in hot water. I'm letting it get wet before I actually put my shampoo on. So yes, I start off in hot and I end in cold. And I gotta readjust this camera, honey. This is my first time. Don't judge me. But yes, that's how I start off washing my wigs in hot water. So that's why it's kind of bleeding a little bit. My favorite shampoo, yes, this is the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Deep Moisture. I wash all of my units in this. This shampoo is the fucking bomb. Do you hear me? I absolutely love it. It brings all the moisture back and it makes your hair like so soft. It's so bomb. So yes, so I'm washing it, letting it get all soapy, honey, because she's been hiding in the closet, honey. I got to make sure she's washed good. Also, I forgot to mention that this hair is actually from my line, the BeatbyKhloe extensions. Yes, ma'am. So yes, I'm washing it, and I also wash my hair like 3 times. So um, I think it's two in this video though. So yeah, I'm letting it get all soaked up, and make sure you get every strand, honey. You go ahead and you get deep in there and get everything. I forgot to mention when I did color this, I colored it with the L'Oreal highlight, I think in magenta, and there was another one. I used two colors. That was like 6 months ago when I colored this hair. I kind of like it. You know, it do make your hair like it gives you a good color, but the thing I don't like about it is like every time I wash my hair it like bleeds, you know what I'm saying? But that's okay. It's still gonna come out good. So I'm washing it a second time, as you can tell, letting it get all soapy, honey. You got to get in there, scrub. Just playing. You got to be gentle with it. You don't want to rip your lace, honey. You will be very upset. Also, make sure that you scrub the lace, as you can see what I'm doing. Just gently like scrubbing it, making sure I get all of the, residue, like the got to be glued. It's good, but it do leave like some little sticky residue. So you got to make sure that you get all up in there. Get the closure or your frontal. Just make sure you be super gentle because you, like I said again, you do not want to rip that lace. Honey, you're going to be very mad. And don't blame me, girl. So now I'm switching my water over to the cold water. Um, you can tell by the water it's going to get lighter and lighter, the red color, because I've switched to cold. I like to do that when I washed the last time. So that's what I'm doing. Just making sure that it's fully rinsed out, and then I'm gonna go in with my Hello Hydration Conditioner. Yes. Um, I like to put conditioner all. You make sure you get every strand, honey, and you work it through it. You work your hands through the unit, and make sure that you saturating the whole wig, honey. You got to make sure everything's good. And after that, I like to sit it in the sink, or just sit it wherever you sit your units, honey. And I like to let it sit for probably like 30 minutes. I know they say like 5 or 10 minutes, honey, but she's been sitting. So we're gonna have to sit her for 30 minutes, okay? So you just sit her right there. So after you let it sit for 30 minutes, then you go in with your wig brush. You can get it from the dollar store, honey, or the beauty supply. And you go ahead and you detangle the hair while the conditioner is on there. It makes it easier. You don't want to do it um, when it's dry and brittle, honey. Well, you do, but it's better to do it when you have the conditioner on there before you rinse it out. It makes it easier to detangle it. So I'm doing that. And my camera, honey, she has a mind of its own because I didn't even know that it was recording like that. So please excuse me. I'll have it better next time. Don't judge me. Okay, I have towel dried my hair and I gave it a middle part because that's how I'm going to wear it. Now I'm going to be going in with my favorite stuff ever. This is Aunt Jackie Not On My Watch. This is the shit. Listen, listen, Linda, listen. This is so bomb. Like it's an instant detangling therapy, but it softens and it restores the moisture back into your hair and it makes your curls, your waves pop, honey. Listen, Linda, listen. Honey, you gonna just thank me later. Listen, you gonna see how my waves is gonna pop. Listen, this is my body wave from my line, BeatbyKhloe extensions. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm going in with that, and I'm also like scrunching the hair up. Um, After I run it through the hair, I scrunch it. I'm going in with some more. You can do however much you need, but you only need like a little dime size, and you just scrunch the hair up, and I'm putting it all through the hair. Got to saturate the whole head, honey. Yes, look at that. Ooh, BeatbyKhloe extensions, honey. Get you some, girl. Now I'm turning her around so you guys can get a better view of the back. I'm doing the same thing I was doing in the front of the head, just doing it in the back, making sure you get every strand and just make sure you're good. But when you see this finished product, you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Bam! Come through with these waves, honey. Do you see that? You see that, girl? I know you see that. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.